English Reading Practice, Exercise 39, Presentation Skills Course, Part 17 of 28. This is the advanced level. Be sure to watch the introductory video to learn how to use synchronized reading. Just see the link in the description. So turn the volume up and read at the same time as me. Avoid dropping pronunciation clangers. Imagine yourself carrying a metal bucket down a concrete stairwell when you trip and drop the bucket. As it clangs down the stairs, you wonder whether the noise has just woken the dead. No wonder the dictionary gives this definition of the word clanger: a conspicuous blunder. In a presentation, the effect can almost be the same. You stand in front of the audience as an authority on the subject, assumed if you're giving a presentation on the subject, and a major mispronunciation passes the lips. Uh-oh. Does this person really know what they are talking about? Immediately, question marks appear over the speaker's credibility. So for this public speaking tip, pay attention to pronunciation. Of course, someone may say, but how are you to know if you are mispronouncing a word if in your own mind that's the way it's said? Good point. However, taking reasonable precautions can greatly minimize the risk of dropping a pronunciation clanger. Simply go through your notes and your material and circle any word you are even slightly not sure about. Use online dictionaries. Then take advantage of the online dictionaries, of which there are many, and use the audio facility where you can actually hear the word being pronounced. As a shortcut, go to Google and simply enter pronunciation word in question, and a whole bunch of online dictionaries will come up with the audio feature. Similarly, if you go to Google and enter definition word in question, you can go straight to the dictionary definition in one click and then use the volume icon for the audio feature. thefreedictionary.com is one excellent resource. Enter a word in the search field and the definition appears. Above the definition, you will see the British and American flags. Just click on those icons for either the American or British pronunciation. Here is another research tip. Put the phrase in quotes, top 100 pronunciation errors, or something similar in Google. Use the results as a checklist to make sure you are not making any obvious mistakes, which seem to catch a lot of people. Become a wordsmith. If you regularly give speeches and presentations, then you have a good reason to develop an interest in words. A whole host of books are available on common and uncommon words and pronunciations. Just check Amazon and you will see the range. Why not buy a few and fill out your personal library? Grab one regularly and just spend 5 minutes browsing through, taking note of tricky words. Just a small amount of time spent regularly and consistently like this can yield wonderful results when it comes to your vocabulary and pronunciation. If you are a speaker, set a goal to become a wordsmith. To stress the importance of correct pronunciation, remember, Mispronouncing words can 1. Call into question a speaker's credibility and professionalism. 2. Affect audience comprehension of what the speaker is talking about. 3. Cause distraction, so the audience focuses on the error rather than the message. 4. Suggest the speaker lacks respect for the local culture if names and cultural terms are mispronounced. 5. Lessen the emotional impact of the presentation. Mispronunciations impact the power and flow of the speech. In conclusion, before you make any speech or presentation, use this public speaking tip. Check your pronunciation in advance. You will avoid the embarrassment of dropping a clanger, and the audience will not be sidetracked into questioning your authority and credibility. Next, 3 reasons why you should turn up the volume. Well, that's the end of the reading. Be sure to check the resources in the description below. When you're ready, go to the next video in the Presentation Skills series. Has this video helped you? Then like, share or comment now. And continually improve your English. Click the subscribe button, the bell icon, and then all.